Hey y'all, my name is Amina and this is my no makeup everyday makeup routine. This routine is really good because it really looks like you have no makeup, but you actually do. So first, I always like to start out with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be taking the MAC eyebrow pencil in spiked. And so I like to brush on my eyebrows and then just fill in the ends because that's where there's a little less hair. And then I'm going to take a cream to powder foundation. I like to take that because I like the consistency better than a concealer, and it just blends out better. You want to take a shade that's close to your skin tone, not lighter or not too much lighter, just so it can blend. Again, we want to give the illusion that we're not wearing makeup. So you can see my eyebrows still look really natural. I didn't draw a completely different eyebrow. I'm just cleaning them up now, and I only put a little bit of the pencil in my brows. And then I'm going to take some concealer. This concealer is Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to just color correct. I do have discoloration on my eyes and my eyelids, so I like to take that and just blend it in a little bit. This is a good highlight shade, and then I'm going to take some finishing powder and just layer that on top, just to give my eyes the illusion that I'm awake. I'm going to take this same powder and I'm going to just mask any imperfections or any discoloration that I have on my skin. Again, this is very natural. I also like to take the powder to sculpt a little bit, and it does give a good blurring effect without it looking cakey. And then you always want to put on some blush. So I'm going to put light amount of blush on just to kind of bring some color back. Then we're going to take some mascara. This is a Grande Lash, and I'm only doing one coat. I like to use lip plumpers. This is the Heat lip plumper Fenty, and it's a brown shade similar to my lip color. Then you want to use any type of setting spray. After you use the setting spray, I always finish off with a perfume. That was the Givenchy Irresistible, and that's pretty much my everyday no makeup routine. I hope y'all liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you.